Hey you guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kia Money back again with another video for y'all. So we're going to be doing the DIY video today on how to achieve this beautiful eyebrows using Nair. So let's get right into this video. Okay, I just finished Nair seating my eyebrows. Look at it. Look at it. And now I'm just going to sit and wait for about 2-3 minutes before I try to remove it and see the results. Whew. So you know when you're perming your hair, right? And you kind of sit for a second just to let the perm, like, soak in and, straighten the hair out for you and stuff before you rinse it out. And, sometimes you will feel that little tingle, like tickle or whatever you want to call it. And it's like getting ready to start burning you. I'm feeling that around my eyes, my eyes area. I'm feeling it around my brow area. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this off because I'm not going to sit and then when I remove my eyebrows, I have no eyebrows after. So I'm going to take it off. I'm going to use this rag and I'm going to go underneath. Woo! Okay, you guys, so here is the finished look on my eyebrows. Yes, I am loving it, auntie. Yes, it's cute, right? Yes, yes, yes. I am loving it. Like, I'm loving the vibe that I'm getting. I'm loving the feeling. Like, I feel so good. I feel so amazing. I feel like a brand new person because guess what? I got my eyebrows on. And it's looking so cute. Like, I like the arch and everything. I just love the statement that it's making right now. Like, hello, I'm here. Like, I'm really liking this. I know it's not looking together. They don't look alike. And that's because eyebrows are not twins. They're sisters. And, I mean, they're same mom, different dad. But, they're sisters. So they're not going to look alike. They're not gonna look alike. Like, this one look like her mom. This one look like her great-great-granddad. Like, that's just what it is. I like this one though. Okay, let me stop talking and let me just get into the review on me using the Nair. Okay, so let me bring it down a little notch. Bring it down a little notch. Bring it down. Bring it down. Oh, okay. Enough of that. Anyway, so just a quick review on the process of me using the Nair. So I use the Nair as a concealer to remove the unnecessary hair that I don't need around my eyebrows. So, and I thought it was pretty cool. But while I was waiting, you know, for the 2-3 minutes, it was kind of burning me like a little bit. It was not much, like burning like 1 to 10 on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being a high. So it was burning me like a 2. But anyways, so while it was burning, I'm like, you know what? I don't know why it's burning me. So let me go ahead and read the instructions on the back. So I decided to sit down and read the instructions, and it stated, for legs, arms, under armpits, and bikini areas, dermatologist tested, do not use on face. Do not use on face. That's what it stated. Okay? That's what it stated right here. That's what it stated. Do not use on face. And guess what I did? I used it on my face. I used it on my face. So probably that's the reason why it was burning. Hopefully I don't get no like reaction. Like I hope I don't. Oh Lord Jesus. Let me not even speak that. My face is going to be fine. Okay? It's going to be fine. It's going to be good. Please, if you're going to use anything for the first time, please read the instructions. Do not be like me and read the instructions after using the products. Again, please read the instructions before using the product. Do not be like me and read it afterwards. Okay? You might put your life in jeopardy if you do that. Don't do it. Okay? So make sure you read it before. Do not be like me. But anyways, I mean, overall, it's fine. Overall, my face feel fine. My face feel fine. The only thing, this thing was stank. It was stank, honey. It's stank. But overall, it's cool. My eyebrows are good. I feel like a brand new person again. Hello. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for sticking around. But in the meantime, between time, please go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to me if you have not subscribed as yet. And also comment below. Talk to me. Okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.